Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Netflix today. You probably know what's going on with Disney and Discover TV. There's a little lawsuit going on because Discover TV is tired of having to buy this big bundle from Disney, with most of it just being crap that nobody wants to buy, or nobody wants to watch, and nobody does watch. Yet the whole bundling thing, and you're paying for it, that is, it's just keeping alive a bunch of stuff that should be dead. We'll put it that way. So there's a litigation going on there. And my sense is, I don't know when it will be resolved. And I certainly have it'll probably be negotiated or something. But because if it's not, if it does resolve and it resolves in Discover TV's favor, there's going to be blood in the streets. I would say a bloodbath, but we can't say that. People get triggered. But that gets me back to Netflix, because they are the past and they are the future. The stock is trading in this pretty tight trading range. It's been printing higher lows here, and it was printing higher highs. Okay, then what actually still is, just not as much. And then so it's pulled back here to test 600, has come up $100 really, and is now right up against this ceiling. So guess what? There's no trade here, but there could be. There's just no trade yet. So what I would suggest doing, and this will be a real short video here, what I'd suggest doing is putting an alert right around here, like really right around 700. It almost pushed through that today, but set an alert at 700. And if it's still up at like 701 or 702 and volume is heavier than average, I think this breakout could really be good. It could really work in your favor, especially since the market is strong. It's stronger than it was a week ago. And so I don't mind buying breakouts at all when the market is strong, because they tend to work. But if the market's really heavy, as it was a week ago, breakouts don't work. So check out the overall market tenor. And then if you get a feel good, then go ahead and buy Netflix a little above 700, and just make sure that you know what your risk is. Make sure you know where your stop is set and how many dollars, I don't care about percentage, how many dollars you will lose on the trade, and just make sure you're okay with that. So that's all I've got. By the way, if you're option traders, next Friday, I'm having a live trading session with Andy. He is our resident, one of our two resident options experts, him and Sam. And Andy he works for Microsoft. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but I just did. He works for Microsoft, and he knows a lot about a lot of stuff. And so we will be trading options. We'll be starting at 6:15 in the morning, like 15 minutes before the market opens. So if you're an OMM member, you definitely want to check that out, trade live. If you are not an Option Market Mentor member, you can hoodwink me. You can fool me and get the best of me by subscribing for a free trial, for a 14-day trial. I don't think it's free. I think it'll cost you $7, but you can do that. Go to the free trading session, the trading session for members. And then if you don't like it, cancel. I won't even know, because somebody else manages that kind of stuff. So you can check it out. Hopefully you're going to make some money. And if you're not, you can get out of Dodge and I don't even know about it. So you can't get much better than that. All right. So that's all I got for you. I'll see you all on Monday.